This is a grease gun. This is a bucket of grease. And this is what could happen if your bearing runs out of grease. Some of you have been asking what kind of bearing grease I use and the grease gun I use, so this is what I use. And some people reached out and asked why grease the bearings and why not just replace them while you're there. Well, every time you replace your bearing, that's a big chunk of change as opposed to just a couple squirts of grease every once in a while, which is a smaller chunk of change. And keeping them greased is going to give your bearings so much longer life, so they will last a lot longer. Definitely a good maintenance thing to do, just periodically, or after you've been through water, clean off your machine, grease your bearings. Because we all like to drive through puddles in deep water with ATVs and side-by-sides, greasing them after you've been through water will push out any water that gets in, and the new grease will get in there and it will last so much longer. You can see it's up to the floorboards, up over the wheel bearings. This is the grease I've been using. It's just a high temp wheel bearing grease, and I have a lever gun with the grease cartridges. And then to make it super easy to grease the bearings, I use this little wheel bearing greaser. You can get this for almost any brand of ATV or side-by-side. Just get the correct size for the bearings you have. Arctic Cat is 30mm, I believe Grizzlies are the same. Some bearings are designed to operate in oil like the ones inside your engine, while your wheel bearings are more exposed on dusty trails and through water. Those conditions will wear them out more quickly, so keeping them greased will improve the life of the bearings and save you from having to replace them too soon. So I hope these tips are helpful for you guys. I'll have these products linked down in the description so you can find them easily. Keep your bearings greased, especially after running through water. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So the